Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken momo. I'm sure that this dish will leave you craving for more. For chicken momo, I have taken 500 gram minced chicken, half cup finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chilies, spring onion green, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves, 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, and add salt according to your taste. Add half cup hot oil. Mix together properly and keep it aside. For the dough, take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything well. Add water in intervals while kneading the dough. After kneading, keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a small portion of dough and roll it into a small ball. Flatten the ball with your finger and dust some flour. Use a rolling pin to roll out the disc into a thin circular wrapper. Place a spoonful of the prepared chicken filling in the center of the wrapper. Hold the wrapper in one hand and use the other hand to create the pleats along with the edges. Start pleating from one end and fold the edges over each other, pressing firmly to seal. Continue pleating until you reach the other end, creating a crescent shape. Make sure there are no openings or gaps. Repeat the process with the remaining dough and filling to create a crescent-shaped momos. You can also give circular shape and store this for future use. Add some water onto a pan and place a colander at the top. Grease some oil. When the water starts to boil, place all the momos. Grease the momos with oil as well. Cover the same and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, take some water, add 3 sliced tomatoes, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 dry Kashmiri chili and 2 spicy ones. Within 5 to 10 minutes, water will start boiling. If the skin starts to fall off, consider them done. With the help of a tongue, remove the skin. Remove all the ingredients from the water. Remove all the stems from the chilies. Transfer all the ingredients to the mixing jar. Add a handful of coriander leaves. Add some salt and grind to a paste. Momo chutney is ready. Now it's time to check the momos. Remove the colander when the momos look glossy. And adding second batch of momos and continue to cook them in the same process. They should be ideally done in 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the remaining momos from the colander. Serve them with a side of spicy dipping sauce or a momo chutney for a perfect balance of flavors. I will show you another recipe to prepare chicken momos in hot garlic sauce. In a pan, add some oil and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute for few minutes and then add the momos chutney which I made earlier. Mix properly and then cook for 1 to 2 minutes. To prevent the gravy from becoming too thick, you can add a small amount of water as needed. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. Add some corn slurry, for which I have taken 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. After that, add all momos to the gravy. Mix everything properly. Add some coriander leaves to garnish. A delicious and flavorful chicken momo recipe that is sure to impress your friends and families. If you found this video helpful, please consider showing your appreciation by hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel and sharing it with others